So this US 30 analysis for Monday the 4th of June. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices reject the 24,700, brief pullback before seeing a sharp sell-off all the way down towards that 24,420, trading beyond of 24,20 all the way down towards that 24,350, from which we found support, briefly broke above the 420, retested for support, and we've seen this strong consistent move here to the upside, breaking above our previous highs in around 24,700, currently trading at 24,760. So we do see poised for a test of 24,800. If we do see sufficient buy side momentum to take us beyond the 24,800, we're looking for a move up towards that 24,864, major level marked out here in red, previously acted as resistance, but the levels that we are looking at beyond are as follows. So if we do break and hold the 24,864, we're looking for a move up towards that 25,000, 25,101, and if there is sufficient volatility in the coming days, 25,243 may come into focus. If, however, we do find resistance either at the 24,800 or the 24,864, we're then looking for prices to retest at 24,700, 24,550, beyond which we're then looking for 510, 420, or possibly a move down towards that 24,238. Well, bearing back of our mind that 24,350 previously acted as support here. Cancel, and let's just get this correct. So if we do see the breakdown again, I wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond, say, the 24,510, but if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, 24,420 or that 24,350, this level just here, which we will sector support, we'll be looking forward to be the far end of range around 24,350 if we do see quite a sell side momentum come into this market. What we'll do now is we'll have a look at the higher time frame, see how prices are developing. Here on the monthly chart, we can see here, after having this strong consistent move to the upside, we've had a bit of a pretty sharp pullback. Wasn't much of a pullback in reality if you look at the context of the overall move. Had a bit of a pullback here, from which we are seeing a bit of bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. We've seen quite a bit of momentum so far in the month of June, even though it's still pretty early here in June. So there is a possibility of seeing that further recovery here on the US 30 before we head up back towards that 26,000. So if we do see this continued recovery, we're looking for a move to the upside. Now, if we have a look here at the weekly chart, let's bear with me a second here. So on this weekly chart, we can see here we've had the sharp sell-off, consolidation, broke down. We've had this move recovery here to the upside, pullback, recovery, and we continue to see this. There's been a marked slowdown in price momentum, but the momentum does clearly appear to be to the upside. So we are looking to see our price develop. Where we can get towards that 25,000, hold that level before looking for the mid 25,000 marks, where we do have some further resistance. And here we have a look here at the daily chart before wrapping it all up. And as we can see here on this daily chart, we have our lows. We posted higher lows. We've had price head down to the downside. We are seeing that bullish momentum fall through here to the upside. So we're posting, it does appear that we're posting higher lows again, especially in relation to the previous lows just there. So posting higher lows, possibly looking to break the old highs in around 25,000 mark. And if we do, we're then looking for prices to head up towards that mid 25,000 mark, say the 25,439 or 25,600, before we're looking for some major resistance here in this market from a daily chart perspective. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.